Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are today? Well, we are at KBON tonight. KBON 101.1 FM.com. Okay, go to there and y'all can listen to the free Cajun music variety. The spice of Louisiana. That's right. Where's my koozie at? Right there. KBON. Louisiana proud. Alright. Variety. Louisiana music and a variety. We're doing a chicken gravy, sausage, smoked sausage. Yep. Where'd you get that smoked sausage from, Miss Missy? There's Miss Missy. The Slaughterhouse. Yeah, Eunice Super Red. Alright. That's my granddaughter. My pride and joy, Miss Gabby. What you doing, Miss Gabby? Say hi. Mm-hmm. Oh, and she's getting big. She's getting big. Almost 7 years old. 6.5, almost 7. I picked her up when I walked in the station. Me and Johnny Best, the sheriff, we was working on a lawnmower and a tiller today. Well, anyway, let me go out here toward the front. We're in the kitchen right here. And we're going to give y'all a little tour of the station. So, anyway, there's a sink where we wash dishes and stuff. Marvelous Malcolm. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing okay, good. You?
Good.
And this is where the box goes.
And, well, got a video already showing y'all all of these famous country singers, local Cajun, Louisiana country singers. Anybody and everybody is on here. Fast Domino. All in. Oh, and I mean many more. Look, my buddy Pat Richard. That's how I roll. Aldous Roger, king of the Cajun accordion. A big controversy on that. Lawrence Walker was also called the king of the Cajun accordion. Chris Guillery. Let's go on down over here. My buddy Wayne Toops. Yes, sir. Wayne Toops and Zoddy Cajun. Les Amis, La Louisianaise. Oh, yeah. Good gospel songs they got. Awesome music.
And this is where all the dirty dishes are.
Big old passe-partout right there. Passe-partout saw we call that. Pass it all around. That's right. Two-man saw. I'll tell you what, that's when men were men. Back in the days. No chainsaws. And that's a Acadian style house, which I lived in one like that. Plenty of storage up in the top section. Go back over here. There's some more pictures up here. Like I said, we always do a KBON video on Thursday sometime. Oh, there's the boss man. Mr. Paul Marx right there. Hey, Paul. Hey, Paul, we're making a YouTube video. Say hi, Paul. Over here.
Now you got proof I really do work.
Yeah, that's right. Everybody says Paul Marx does not work, but he does. And look, it's 8 o'clock at night.
I actually work 7 days a week. People don't know that. They don't believe that. Ask my wife. 7 days a week.
Yeah.
Sometimes
oh, and I believe it. I believe it. You hear on Thursdays all the time.
Sometimes she says, "You're going in again."
Yeah.
So
well,
I got an audience out there that's depending on me.
That's right.
Boom.
Yeah. And what's the best radio station in the world?
Don't play with me. I don't play with it. I do it the way it's supposed to be done.
That's right.
KBON 101.1
FM.
Ça, c'est la station qui est bon.
Right. Wait.
Hey, ça, c'est pas le pot.
All right, we're going over here in the DJ booth. Oh, David Crater. David Crater. How you doing, buddy? Army vet right there. Runs the VFW Bingo Hall
I'm thinking about it, June.
all the time. How you doing, David?
Good.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Man, is that late? Or you here early?
I'm early.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. The sheriff, Johnny Best. Again.
Hello. And
Ten
me.
de los meses.
That's me right here.
¿Cómo se va a
Oh,
suar?
c'est pas incroyable. C'est pas incroyable.
Alright.
You want to bring? Oh, you got something you want to get rid of?
Now we're in the
That
studio.
could be the really late night.
DJ booth. Well, we got a crowd tonight.
Bring it. You want to get rid of? Bring it.
Lee, you in the diet.
Big corner.
Yeah. And you go.
Bird, the drummer, scrub boy player. Mini bands.
Maybe I'll grill
Chef
him
Ray?
up Saturday night.
Chef J. All right.
I'm definitely
All right.
generation.
Mrs.
No, not the
Chef.
generation.
Mrs. Chef J. All right. And naturally, Todd Ortego. Y'all seen him many times on my videos. So,
Are you bringing the RV up there?
all right. Well, and we definitely got a crew over here tonight. So, I guess we'll catch y'all. Plutarch.